This is a crucial week for Nvidia, especially if you are a bull like myself. You're going to see that our long-term monthly BX model is still long, dating all the way back to June of 2025. What this strategy and model looks to do is go long on the monthly chart when the BX, which is the bottom indicator, increases to light red or holds green, and then looks to remove profits when it turns dark red. If we were to have followed this over the past 25 years, we would have made a 133,000% return, compounded of course. So if you're doing this in a retirement account, over 21 positions with a 67% win rate and a risk versus reward of 9.3. This is a very strong strategy and very strong model. And this is the core for almost all of our trading. I want to always know, what is the bigger time frame doing? Because if that is showing bull structure, if that is showing a bull cycle, I can basically do anything in the smaller time frames and make a good return. Now you will notice that as of right now, this is currently showing dark red. If I were to zoom into the weekly time frame, you will see that we are still in a bull structure, but the indicator at the bottom here, this monthly BX, is currently dark red. So if we don't bounce in the next 4 days and this closes dark red, I would be expecting a sell-off. Now, a lot of people have been asking about this version of the BX Trender. I will be making a free course and a free version of this for you in the future, but this basically just allows us to take the BX Trender and overlay this time frame onto a different chart. So we can look at the 1 month BX Trender on a weekly time frame. Now, if we look at the weekly time frame above, you're going to notice we have a really good support here on the volume profile. We have an 8 billion share node right here, a 5 billion share node, and 6 billion share node. So this is a good support level. You'll see as well that we do have a small head and shoulders pattern in here, not good. But the fact that I'm still bullish is because of this monthly BX. I am going to continue to hold on to my call options. I'm going to continue to have a bullish outlook on this stock as long as the monthly BX does not close dark red. As long as it doesn't close dark red, I will still be expecting a move to $220 to maybe $230 in the next 4, 6, 8 weeks. However, if the monthly BX does close dark red, then we have to expect a potential sell-off. Now, if we go back and look historically at what happens when the monthly BX turns dark red, normally price either sits sideways or sells off aggressively. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be like 2022 where it had a 70% haircut, but what I would expect is probably what happened at the beginning of last year, where we ended up pulling back about 20-30% before another move to the upside. So in my opinion, if the monthly BX closes dark red, I would expect Nvidia to probably sell off to $140 to $130, and I would definitely be looking to potentially buy the dip once we confirm a bottom down there. But until the monthly BX confirms, I am bullish. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you want access to all of these indicators completely for free and to learn our trading strategy, the link to our free course library is down below. We have had over 25,000 people learn this trading system with accounts ranging from $10,000 up to $3.5 million. The link to all of these indicators will be free down in the course below. Thanks for all the support. I'll see you guys tomorrow.